All right, I've got a really nice Toro Z Master Professional 5000 series. It's got a 48-inch deck. Everything about this mower is super heavy duty. It's got the roll cage, got the suspension seat, super heavy duty deck and big front casters and framing. It's got the extra large wheels and drives. This thing can move. Got the EFI motor, 24 horsepower, Kohler Command Pro. Let's see around here. Sorry about the light, it's just that time of day. Photos are better. Really good looking mower. The only thing even cosmetically wrong with this mower is these seams on the seat split, which can be reseamed by somebody who does upholstery. And this arm right here on the mower, which I like about this mower, it's got a lot more cushion and padding than most of them do, but because it's so wide, the wood underneath there that's got that bolted on, I guess, has broken loose. It can easily be redone. The other side's fine. Let's see this thing in action, huh? Fires right up, idle super smooth. No smoke at all. We'll rev it up. Only 360 hours on it. Pretty much like brand new, just like the way it looks. Undo the e-brake. Forward, reverse, left, right. Engage the blade. This thing is real smooth. Got a real high blade tip speed. Let's drive it out. This thing gets it. If you're looking for a heavy duty, fast commercial mower, it's going to last you forever, this is one right here. 48-inch Toro Z Master 5000 series. And I mean, there's not anything wrong with this thing at all. It's basically, like I said, like it's brand new. If you're a homeowner, this thing is awesome. It's gonna last you forever. You'll never need another mower. And if you're a commercial guy who rides them hard, you really can't get better than this Toro Z Master. I'll idle it back down for you. Show, we got no smoke, super smooth, awesome mower.